Hello, Eat for Lifers. Of course, did you know of? Yes, you do. You are one in a melon. Welcome to Tuesday, and today is watermelon day. I got my watermelon and grab some nuts day. I need to stay with the food part. Grab some nuts. I almost say grab your nuts, but it's grab some nuts day. So today is watermelon. I already made 2 desserts, but I am compelled. I feel I'm obsessed with infusing, nutritious food to create delicious recipes. Just more ways for you to eat healthier. Okay, so I ran out today to the store to get a watermelon. Not that I needed to get another watermelon. And I am going to cut this watermelon and create, I'm not sure yet if I want to create a watermelon chocolate mousse or a chocolate muffin. It's never a dull moment with me. That's how I do life. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about watermelon. Not this watermelon, but I did not know this. I first heard the watermelon song, and when I think of the watermelon song, you're probably thinking of something that I know you're thinking about, but I ain't thinking about that. But I'm going to tell you 3 watermelon songs. You all know the watermelon song with Harry Styles, Watermelon Sugar. Okay, hello, watermelon sugar. And at first I heard it, I said, what is this song about? You're not going to hear it from me. I'm not going to tell you what that song is about, but it ain't about watermelon. And then the next song is it's called Watermelon Crawl. It's a country song by Tracy Byrd, B-Y-R-D. Look it up. There's lots of watermelon songs. And the third watermelon song is by a children's TV. And it's a nursery rhyme. And it's such a sweet song. It talks about watermelon, a juicy watermelon heaven. Watermelon is good for you. A watermelon quench your thirst. I love that song. And you know what? You got 3 songs. One from Harry Styles about watermelon sugar, and one from Tracy Byrd about Watermelon Crawl. It's a country song. And then you got your children one. So you know what? There's something for everyone. Use it appropriately. Okay, enough. I am going to chop up this watermelon nicely. I'm going to chop up this watermelon, and I'm going to figure out if I'm going to make a chocolate mousse. You put in the comment. All my Eat for Lifers, put in the comment, do you want me to make a watermelon mousse or a watermelon muffin? But no matter which one I make, it's all infused with nutrients to help you be healthier and happier. Okay, so, and grab your nuts. Grab some nuts today. I knew it was going to go that way. Use that appropriately as well. Grab some nuts day, and I'm going to keep it about the food. And I am going to make, of course, I have to make something. I'm going to make something to do it. I'm going to make some cookies, maybe some muffin. But you can comment and tell me with the nuts if you want me to make some cookies, muffins, or cake. Either way, it's going to be healthy for you. Okay, Eat for Lifers, I'm out. I'm talking way too much, and I'm getting crazy and silly as usual. You have a wonderful Tuesday, and check my social media. I'm putting out recipes so it can help you be more healthier and happier. This week is a packed week. We got a lot of events coming up. We have the Calgary Pride. We have all sorts of events that we're going to be involved in. So, on that note, I need to take my watermelon and some nuts and go. Have a good, delicious, snackalicious. What do? Eat for life. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on social media. Okay, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.